Saturday night. Let's get the girls ready for bed. Oh, what a day. So I started them on the goat sweet feed supplement, but I'm not giving it to them full time because I found out that it is increasing their egg productivity, but at the same time it's not giving them the nutrition of the layer feed. So I'm giving it to them once a night. Scoop the poop and get some eggs. What's up, guys? How we doing? How we doing? Still no eggs from the Sapphire Splash. They're on 7 months now. I am getting the occasional egg from the Rhode Island Red Babies, Legs and Jessie. So goat sweet feed textured is back in their diet, which we have shown and proven that it does help them lay eggs. We've done this, and everybody else who's done this has had positive results out of it. But the one thing I'm starting to do also is fermenting their feed. I've never done that. I'm starting it now, and I've got a batch going. Well, there are my kids. She's going in for a she's gonna get shaved. She's got these knots that's from her not being brushed. I guess she's my cat now, so I'm gonna pay for it. So this is the first try at the fermentation. It's about 63 degrees in here, so it's not really bubbling. So, but they say it could take up to 24 to 48 hours to get the results. So it's not bubbling, but there's no mold on it. So we'll keep trying. Look at that beautiful girl. Hi. Hi, beautiful girl. Hi, bud. Ladies first. Ladies first. Senior, step back. There you go. See, I got to give her a little bit extra because she just wolfs it down like it's going out of style. But, how you doing, bud? He's doing okay. Guys, the chickens, there's a deafening silence except for that damn dog. Super quiet tonight. Excuse me, pardon me, excuse me. So, on a sad note, we lost Flop, and she had a gash over the right side of her eye, and I believe it was cotton. She was sleeping next to her, so I'm keeping an eye on her. Part of the chicken tender, you just don't know what's going to happen. You wake up to a dead chicken, you got to figure it out. You got to be a sleuth and everything. I just could not imagine my life without chickens. Let's get some eggs. Ooh. Goldie. Oh wait, no, that's damn. They're getting a lot of like. That's Butterball, aka Buttercup. Let's get some eggs. Tomorrow is pressure wash and sift the rocks out again. I get about three buckets of rocks out of this area alone a week. Get 2 beautiful eggs. I will take them. So I'm already starting to plan planting my fall garden. I'm not really sure exactly what I want to achieve, but I do know that I got to get the garlic in, because this year I'm going to do the garlic again. That was so amazing pulling up. I think I pulled up 220 heads of garlic and dehydrated and powdered some. It was a really good year. That was in 2023. But I think I'm going to do that again this year. The only problem is the garlic bed is now the cat's toilet, so I got to refigure that out. I love this one right here. She is so beautiful. She's got to be watered every day though. The pumpkin is doing pretty good. I know next year, it's the first time growing them, so next year I'm going to grow at least 6 plants instead of 2. Because what I'm going to be doing is feeding these to the chickens. I'm going to have to self-pollinate a couple, but I got a couple growing, so we're okay. Peppers are growing like crazy. Small plants, but I'm getting jalapenos, chili peppers. We've got some zooks going on over here. Impressed about that. I do need to get this up on a trellis, but tomorrow. That's tomorrow. She's not doing too good. Definitely need more of these blueberry bushes. These things are amazing. Tasty. I'd love to do some blueberry wine next year. This is doing really good. I'm worried about that plant back there. I've been giving it some nutrients, but she might not make it. She's got some good growth going on. This one's got some amazing cherry plants. Cherry tomato. It's been a long day. Look at those. Longer than normal video. Patio tomatoes. This is going to be my primary bunch tomorrow or next year, because look how small they're staying, but yet they're producing like crazy. I love patio tomatoes. My early girl, I've only got 2 red ones on there. Let's figure it out. It's been a crazy day of up and downs. Lose a chicken, have a good garden. This happens, that happens. It is what it is. Y'all stay safe. Have an amazing night.